Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel because it's Friday and today we have a last episode in our huge series about adjectives. So we are going to learn a really important topic about comparisons and superlative in Ukrainian adjectives. And next Friday we will learn another topic, but I will tell you it on the next lesson, not to spoil you everything. But right now, the last topic about adjectives, of course, we will come back to learning them, to learning other parts of speech of Ukrainian. Just write me in the comments any questions you wish to learn. I'm writing everything down. I'm thinking about future scripts. But right now, we should start. So, let's start. Прикметник. Ступені порівняння. Adjective. Comparisons and superlatives. Тобто сьогодні ми будемо розмовляти про вищий та найвищий ступені порівняння. Today we are going to talk about comparisons and superlative of Ukrainian adjectives. So let's start. Ступені порівняння. The degrees of comparison. So let's look through what are the degrees of comparisons in Ukrainian. So you see that we have comparative degree in Ukrainian вищий ступень, superlative degree найвищий ступень. And in both of these degrees we have проста форма, simple form, складена форма, compound form, and in superlative, simple form and compound form. So, for example, let's look through the simple form of the comparative degree. Проста форма вищого ступеня. The adjectives молодий, гарний, young, beautiful. So, to form the simple form, we need to take away yes, and put ший, іший. Молодший, гарніший. Okay, молодший, гарніший. Okay. And compound form. Добрий, жовтий, kind yellow. Compound form, we use більш, менш, and adjective. More, less, and adjective. Більш добрий, more kind, менш, жовтий, less yellow. And we can use both these forms to form the comparative degree. The same is with superlative degree. The simple form, we use най, and the comparative degree. Наймолодший, the youngest, найгарніший, the nicest. We use she, іший, and най. So, pretty easy. And compound form, we use найбільш, найменш, the most, the least. Найбільш добрий, the most kind, найменш жовтий, the least yellow. And there are some exceptions. Гарний, nice, beautiful, we can use кращий, найкращий, so it can change. Nice is the nicest, but it changes. Великий, більший, найбільший, як big, big is the biggest, so here we have більший, найбільший, but the main word is великий. Малий, small, менший, найменший, so it changes, you should just remember that. Поганий, гірший, найгірший, bad, worst, the worst. So some adjectives are irregular and we need to remember that. And we use these prepositions when we compare something. Брат молодший, ніж сестра. And we use nominative case. So the brother younger than his sister. Брат молодший від сестри. We can use preposition від. The meaning is the same. Brother is younger than sister, but here we use genitive case after the preposition від. And the last one, брат молодший за сестру, the meaning is the same, but we use accusative case here. So, these prepositions, you can use any you like, and nominative case, genitive case, and accusative case. To learn about more of these cases about adjectives and nouns, you can watch my previous videos. The hint will be somewhere there if I won't forget about it. So let's go to practice to understand more. Here we have an exercise. Потренуємося. Let's practice. Напишіть відповідь на запитання. Write down the answer to this question. So, look at the pictures and do this exercise. Let's look through the questions. Хто більший, кіт чи собака? Who is bigger, the cat or the dog? Що більше, озеро чи океан? Which is bigger, the lake or the ocean? Хто нижчий, чоловік чи жінка? Who is shorter, a man or a woman? You can see in the picture. Що гірше, дощ чи сніг? Which is worse, the rain or snow? Хто молодший, тато чи мама? Who is younger, dad or mom? Що краще, літо чи зима? Which is better, summer or winter? Хто старший, брат чи сестра? Who is elder, their sister or a brother? Що тепліше, пальто чи куртка? Which is warmer, the coat or the jacket? So you can stop, try to answer these questions. As you see that the adjectives are already in the correct form, so you can just stop and write. You use these adjectives like here. Що менше, дім чи університет? Which is smaller, the house or university? Дім менший за університет. The house is smaller than university. And you see that we just put e if it's grammatical masculine and in the answer, and we put a if it's grammatical neuter, and we put a or if it's grammatical feminine. So stop, try to answer, and then we'll continue. Answers. So I have done this exercise for you. So let's look through the answers. Собака більший за кота. The dog is bigger than the cat. So you see, собака in Ukrainian, the dog is grammatical masculine. We put an e here. Океан більший за озеро. The ocean is bigger than the lake. We have an e here because grammatical masculine. Жінка нижча за чоловіка. A woman is shorter than a man. So an are grammatical feminine. Сніг гірший за дощ. Snow is worse than a rain. We have an e because сніг is grammatical masculine. Мама молодша від тата. Mom is younger than dad. And an because grammatical feminine. Літо краще від зими. Summer is better than winter. We have an літо grammatical neuter. Сестра старша за брата. The sister is older than brother. So, ending are grammatical feminine here. Пальто тепліше від куртки. The coat is warmer than jacket. We have ending a because it's grammatical neuter. So, I hope you will understand. As for understanding which noun in which gender, while you are learning some topic, please just remember the gender of a noun and the gender of an adjective, which is connected with this noun, will be the same. So, and to learn more about genders of nouns, again, watch my previous videos. I am talking about that a lot.
Куди ти вже не гріх обирай, що ближче до раю.
Потренуємося. Let's continue our practice. So, let's write the comparative degree of adjectives here in these sentences. For example, ліворуч стоять високі будинки, а праворуч вищі. So, in the left we have high buildings, but on the right they are higher. So, to all these adjectives, just write your variant of comparison degree. And in the next slide, we will check. Відповіді. Answers. So, let's check. Ліворуч стоять високі будинки, а праворуч вищі. So, on the left there are high buildings, but on the right they are higher. Одеса красиве місто, але Київ красивіший. Odessa is a beautiful city, but Kyiv is more beautiful. It's just a thought of a person who created this exercises, but I think both these cities are really beautiful on the same level. Учора була довга екскурсія, а сьогодні довша. Yesterday the excursion was long, but today is longer. Мої квіти гарні, а твої гарніші. My flowers are nice, but yours are nicer. Ця квартира велика, але моя більша. This flat is big, but mine is bigger. Плаття, яке я вчора купила, красиве, але це красивіше. The dress I have bought yesterday is nice, but this one is nicer. So, you see, високі вищі, красиве красивіше, довга довша, гарні кращі, велика більше, красиве красивіше. So, just you can screenshot this and try to remember. And we continue our practice.
А навколо техніки марші, затихає голос, що лине від старших.
Let's continue our practice. And in this exercise, we need to give negative answer to the questions and create the superlative degree. So, for example, Максим низький хлопець. Is Maxim a short boy? Ні, він не низький хлопець. No, he is not a short boy. Він не вищий. He is the tallest. And so on. Let's look through the questions. Це брудна кімната. Is this a dirty room? Це злий собака. Is it an evil, an angry dog? Це відповідальний студент. Is it a responsible student? Ці квіти дешеві. Are these flowers cheap? Цей колір темний. Is this color dark? Це маленька квартира. Is this flat small? Це мілке озеро. Is this lake shallow? У неї довге волосся. Has she got short hair? Let's answer these questions. Відповіді. Answers. So, I have made this exercise for you. Let's check and compare your answers and mine. Ні, це не брудна кімната, вона найчистіша. No, it's not a dirty room, it is the cleanest. Ні, це не злий собака, він найдобріший. No, it's not an angry dog, it is the kindest. Ні, це не відповідальний студент, він найменш відповідальний. No, this is not the responsible student, he is least responsible. So here we used compound. Ні, це не дешеві квіти, вони найдорожчі. No, these flowers are not cheap, they're the most expensive. Ні, це не темний колір, він найсвітліший. No, it's not a dark color, it's the lightest. Ні, це не маленька квартира, вона найбільша. No, it's not a small flat, it's the biggest. Ні, це не мілке озеро, воно найглибше. No, it's not a shallow lake, it's the deepest. Ні, у неї недовге волосся, воно найкоротше. No, she hasn't got a long hair, she has the shortest. So, you see, that we can use both compound and simple form. It doesn't matter, the meaning doesn't change, so use that that's the easiest for you. Do it any way you like, so it's okay. If you don't understand something, please write me in the comments. I will try to explain, and I will answer your questions if you have any. Okay, I hope everything is clear for you.
Це наші вечорниці, де найкраще дівиці.
So this is the end of our lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it immensely like me have enjoyed doing it. I hope you have learned lots of interesting things, and if you have any questions, don't forget to write me in the comments. I will try to answer everything for you. Write to me all your wishes about next videos. I write everything down, and I'm already thinking about some scripts you have advised me to do. So, let's see each other next Friday. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to put a huge thumb up and share it with your friends, with those who is learning Ukrainian too. And we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.